We will discuss the question: how to find least count in a vernier caliper. Before going through the question, we will first discuss about vernier caliper. What is vernier caliper? A vernier caliper is defined as a measuring device that is used for the measurement of linear dimensions. It is also used for the measurement of diameters of round objects with the help of the measuring jaws. Now we will get acquainted with its different parts. In this diagram, its different parts are shown. Step measuring faces. Inside measuring faces. Clamping screw. Slider. Clamping screw for fine adjustment. Depth measuring blade. Beam. Main scale. Adjusting screw for fine adjustment. Vernier scale. Outside measuring faces. Let's calculate least count of vernier caliper. A vernier scale is constructed by taking 49 main scale divisions, dividing them into 50 divisions. Is that 49 mm is divided into 50 parts, therefore one vernier scale division, VSD, is equal to 49 divided by 50 mm, which gives out 0.98 mm. One main scale division is equal to 1 mm. Substituting in formula, least count is equal to 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division, which gives out 1 minus 0.98, giving least count as 0.02 mm.